Hey, what's going on guys? This is Fahad. I'm a professional web developer. In this video, in this course, I will show you step by step how you can create an amazing professional website using a free theme, a free page builder called Elementor, and free stock images. Even if you don't know a single line of coding, even if you have never made a website before and this will be your first one, this tutorial is for you. Let me show you what we're going to make in this tutorial. Just have an overlook of the full website we're going to make for next 30 seconds. I'm coming back. So this is the website we are going to make. On the top left, we will have a nice call to action button. By clicking here, people can make call directly from our website. On the top right corner, we will have social media icons, so you can connect your social media accounts so people can visit your social media accounts through your website. Then we will have a nice search bar icon. By clicking here, people can search anything inside your website, like your blog post or your pages or anything like that. Then we will create this nice header area. So we will have our main heading here, subheading here. Then we will create this nice two call to action buttons. Left one will take users to the services page and right one will take to our contact page. Then we will create these nice parts or sections where you can talk about your services shortly. So as I'm a web developer, I have blog website services, business website services, e-commerce website services. If you are a photographer, you may have photography services, videography services or other services. Then we will create these call to action buttons that will take users to the specific service page. So we will have this kind of nice hover effects. Then we will create this section here. You can talk about yourself or your team a little bit. Then we can create a nice call to action button that will take users to our about us page. Underneath that, we will create this amazing testimonial area, what our client says about us. So we can have our clients' testimonials here with nice headshots, their names, their company names, like that. Then we can create an area, the companies we work for, with this kind of nice slider with their logos. And then at the very bottom of our page, we can have these widgets like Facebook widget, Instagram widget, so people can like our Facebook page from inside our website and people can see our Instagram recent posts from our website. And then we will create this widget recent posts, so people can see our recent posts, what we will be posting from our blog. And on the right side here, our social media icons again, and left side we will put some copyright text. And if you click on this icon, that will take us to the top of the page again. And of course I will show you how you can put your logo like this on the left, and I will show you how you can create this kind of navigator or menu bar like you see on the right side. So I will also show you how you can create this kind of sub menus, because you may have different services under the main service menu. And at this moment, if you think creating these kind of all things are very difficult or you may need to learn coding, then you're totally wrong. because everything we will create only just by drag and dropping and some clicking using the Elementor page builder. Now let me show you a little bit the power of Elementor. Elementor is a free page builder, so let's just have a look how it works. For that, we need to click on the edit with Elementor button here on the top. So this is the Elementor page builder. This is a free page builder, and whatever you can see on the left side, this is Elementor elements. So I will show you everything in details when we will start creating the website from scratch, but for now I'm just showing you how easy it is to create a website using Elementor. So for now, if you want to change the text, like here it's Jim Fahad production, if you want to change this production to company, so on the left instead you just type company, you can see the change immediately. That's the awesome thing in Elementor. Whatever change you make, you can see the changes immediately. So you can see there are two buttons. If I want to create another button, just click here and click duplicate. You can see we can create another button here. So how easy it is. If you want to change even the overall look, you can do that as well. You can just click here, add section, you can add new section here, or you want to edit this section, just click here. From the left you can change this section's height, just like drag this, the height will be increased, drag on the left, the height will be decreased, and if you want to play more with it, you can go to the style, and from there just go to shape border, and you can select different shapes from here. Like if you want a mountain shape here, just click on the mountain, you can see their mountain shape. If you want to a zigzag shape, you can create that. So you can make the height increased or decreased. If you don't like that, just make it the way it was. So this is easier than even browsing Facebook. If you can browse Facebook, you can build a website using Elementor. Like if you don't like this contact us second button that you have just created, so click on the right button and click delete. It's instantly deleted immediately. So this is why 3 million plus people started using Elementor to build their website. I will of course show you everything from scratch. Right now just I'm showing you how easy it is. Let's go to other pages that we will create. Let's click on About Us page. I will show you how you can create different header banner like this. I will show you how you can create this kind of progress bar into your website. Then you can see here is my team members, really nice and clean design and look. So I will show you how you can do it using Elementor very easily. Then if we go to the services page, you can see there is a nice video background. So I will show you how you can create a nice video background like this. If I click over here, the blog websites I have created so far, so you can showcase your works in this way. If I click on the image, I can navigate the next images, so you can showcase your work this way. If I scroll down, I will show you how you can embed YouTube or Vimeo videos into your website. There is a slider, so I will show you how you can create this kind of slider. After that, how many websites we have created for our clients so far. So if you click any get in contact button, you will scroll to the directly the contact form of ours, so people can communicate with us through this contact form. Now I will show you how you can create a blog page like this. Your blog page will appear this way. It looks really nice and clean. If I click over here, I will show you how you can create this nice sidebar with recent posts, and how you can create a blog like this. You can insert images and people can go to your previous post or next post. How you can put your name and a little bit description about yourself as author of this blog post. I will show you how to create the comment section so people can make comment and you can reply back to them, and then we will create our contact page so people get to know our phone number, email address, and They can even see our physical address, so they will get to know where are we located. So I will show you all of that, and people can also communicate with you using the contact form of the contact page. So we will cover all of that, but what I love the most about Elementor is when you complete your website and it looks good on the desktop, then you can also check how it looks on tablet and mobile devices. So how you can do that from Elementor, if you go to the responsive mode and if you click on tablet, you see this area looks weird. So how can you fix that? We can fix that within Elementor. So just click on the font. This font looks so big on tablet, so let's reduce the font size of this, and you can see here the desktop icon, tablet icon and phone icon. So we can specifically change anything for any device. So if we now adjust the font size for tablet only, it won't harm on the desktop view. So let's fix it. From typography, font size is 44 now. Let's reduce the font size to 34 or 20. Okay, 24. It looks nice now. Let's do the same with the others. So font size here, let's make it 24, and this one, make this one from style to typography, font size 24 pixel. Now this font looks perfect to me. So if we now check the same website on the mobile devices, from responsive mode, click on mobile, and you see on mobile it looks perfect, but this area looks weird to me. So how can you fix that? Click over here and you can see on mobile device the alignment is left. So let's make it centered, and for this button click here and make the alignment center. Now it looks perfect. So if we now finally check the website from our browser, it looks perfect on desktop, and if we reduce the width of the browser, then we can see how it looks on different widths. So we can see it also looks perfect on a tablet width, and if we take it to the mobile width, you see it looks perfect on the mobile device width. That's amazing. You can configure everything exactly as you want it to be with the Elementor page builder. If you like what you are seeing so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Thank you for that, and let's continue with this tutorial. I hope you are excited. See you in the next video. Thank you.